Welcome. Successful delivery of modern healthcare is challenging because it incorporates mastery of technological advances with a steadfast focus on the customer and patient experience. Our course incorporates the very great strengths and the vast experience of selected operational leaders in the UK National Health Service, together with the consumer focus of the UK private healthcare sector. The course tutors bring together a range of real-world, contemporary, relevant experience in operational leadership, management, and in the delivery of healthcare, and course participants will definitely gain valuable insights into the workings of hospitals and the management of complex healthcare systems. We believe that there is really nothing quite like hearing directly from people who have themselves succeeded in doing these difficult jobs. The course participants will be able to question, to challenge, to debate with, and to learn directly from senior operational leaders. And the course will help to prepare those participants for a successful career in leadership in the healthcare sector and the very many exciting opportunities which are to be found in this fast developing, exciting, and very important space.